Hey everyone! Welcome back to the channel. I'm so glad you're here. Today we're going to draw Kakashi from Naruto step by step, super easy, so grab your pencil and follow along. Before we begin, make sure to subscribe so you don't miss any future drawing tutorials. Let's start by sketching a semi-oval shape. This will be the base for Kakashi's face. Next, we draw his ear. Just the left one, since the other won't be visible. Now let's shape Kakashi's forehead protector, the one with the leaf village symbol. This is one of his most iconic features. This drawing will be really simple, so let me know in the comments which character you want next. Let's move on to his eye. We'll draw the left one first, where the Sharingan is, adding a little detail. Now we draw the area where the right eye would be. It's hidden under the headband, so we just sketch that part. Next is the mask, the one that covers Kakashi's mouth. Just draw it wrapping around the lower half of his face. Now we shape the hair, spiky and sharp in all directions. A good tip here is to imagine a circle around the head so the hair doesn't go too far out. Let's add a few final touches and shadows using a 6H pencil to define the details without making it too dark. And here's the final result. Kakashi looks awesome and it was super simple to draw. Comment below if you made it to the end and I'll see you in the next video.